basically. I could have multiple signals entering the summer. Let's call this as f of s, g of s. Inside the summer, or the summing junction, this is sometimes called as the summing junction as well. Inside the summer, you will see some signs of what you should do with these signals. The signals enter, they come out. What should be the output coming out here? The g of s takes the plus sign, the f of s takes the negative sign, so the output signal is g of s minus f of s. And you can easily see that the idea of block diagrams can be a visual representation of a system flow, right? How are things flowing in the system, how the system components are interacting with each other, and also these are used for simulation diagrams in MATLAB, which is called Simulink. Okay, we're going to get there. I'm going to erase this portion of the board. I have 3 more minutes. The most important component of a block diagram is the block itself. Okay, inside the block you have the contents of the block. You will have an input signal coming to the block. You will have an output signal going out of the block. And the relationship between the two is given by the contents of the block. Okay, so here is the relationship, contents of the block is equal to the output signal from block by the input signal to the block. Have you seen this before? It's a transfer function. That's all it is. Have a good day.